Miss P or Miss Peltier. We have another problem in here that involves, let's see, sale. Well, what is sale? Something is on sale, that means discount. I'm taking money away. I don't like that. However, there is my, tax. That means I'm adding tax onto the product. So when I go to the register to pay for it, they will add the 7.5% tax onto the item. And what am I purchasing? I am purchasing a game. Alright, so let's look at this. Game that is $55 is on sale for 15% off. So I have game, it costs total 55 bucks. They're selling it for 15% off. First I want to find out, what is the 15%? What does the 15% actually stand for? What it is in money-wise. I don't care about the percent. As I told you before, if you watched my video previously, nobody has percent flying in their wallets. We hopefully have just the money. So, let's look at that. Game total is $55, right? And I need to subtract the 15% off. I'm gonna ask myself a question. What is 15% of 55? What is 15% out of 55? We can either use a percent equation or we can set up a proportion. I've done both. We can look at a proportion. We can kind of mix it up around so you can pick and choose your own method that you prefer. So let's look at the proportion if I was to do that way. What is 15%? I know my percent proportion is percent symbol right in here. 100 is going to be always on the bottom. Then I have part and a whole. Right? This part, a whole. Part, whole. Alright. What is 15% of 55? 15 will go right in there. I keep my 100. Part, whole of 55, that is my total, how much it actually really truly costs. And I want to find out what is the part of that, right? My 15%. Cross multiply. X times 100. Can we write it like this? It just doesn't look pretty, does it? So I'm going to erase that. My students know I do not like things that don't look pretty. Math doesn't like that either. 100x, much better, equals 55 times 15 times 15. Could I write this like this? Oh, absolutely I can. This is the same as that. Alright, so I'm going to take my calculator, aka my phone, and I have 100x 55 times 15 equals 70. I want to solve for x. I want to get rid of everything that is attached to the x. Well, in this case, there is only 100 x, 100 x's, 100 times x. To undo multiplication, I do division. And so now I'm going to divide by the 100. You know what, now that I'm looking at that, well, guess what? What is 55 plus 15? 70. What is this little button in here? That little nugget in here is telling me it's a multiplication. Oh, Miss P, shame on you. This means times. So, 55 times 15 equals, and let me 125. Now I'm going to keep going. I'm dividing by 100 both sides. So 100 divided by 100 is my 1x. That's all I want, is that one little baby x. Here it is. H25 divided by 100 is $8.25. That is my 15% of 55. That means I have to take my $55 gain and subtract my 15% off, which is $8.25. Now, my students all know, let's use our calculators. We can use them, we will use them. We got the tools, utilize them. 55 minus 825 equals $46.75 is the cost of the game after the 15% off. Alright, so now you know, when you go to the register, they're going to tell you that is all great, however you have to add the tax to it. What is my tax? What does it say? The tax is 7.5%. My new question is, what is 7.5% out of 46.75? Because I need to know what is the 7.5%. Not the percent, I want to know as a regular number, money. So let's look. What is 7.5% of 46.75? Erase this, clean it up, make it look pretty. Alright, what is? Well, since we've been dealing with proportions, let's keep it as a proportion. Part whole, right? Percent and a whole is 100. Whole percent is 100. So what is 7.5? It's my part.